Imagine this, a simple $5 rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club transformed into a gourmet delight. Yes, it's possible and easy. First, we'll start with a classic chicken salad. Shred the chicken, mix with mayo, celery, and grapes for a refreshing twist. Next, let's take your taste buds on an adventure with a chicken pesto pasta. Just toss shredded chicken with cooked pasta and pesto. Craving something cozy? How about a hearty chicken soup? Combine chicken, broth, vegetables, and noodles for a comforting bowl of goodness. Now, for a fusion twist, let's make chicken tacos. Shred the chicken, add taco seasoning, and serve with your favorite toppings. Fancy a pizza night? Use the chicken as a topping on your favorite crust, add barbecue sauce, onions, and cheese for a quick delight. Lastly, create an exquisite chicken risotto. Stir shredded chicken into creamy risotto and finish with Parmesan for a gourmet touch. With one $5 rotisserie chicken, we've explored a world of flavors. Transforming simple into spectacular has never been easier. Enjoy your gourmet journey.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Miss Coffee.